So I got something for us to look at right here. First of all, I've been letting the grass grow, and it's been getting greener, but longer too. Anyhow, I think there's going to be some guavas on this small guava bush over here. It's Chilean guava bush, and I saw some. Oh shoot! I saw some fruit the other day. Actually, shoot! I see these fruit on the ground. I think I was a little late in getting the fruit off. So anyhow, let's see how this little Chilean guava is supposed to taste like strawberry. Not too bad. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to describe it, but it's pretty good. So anyhow, just want to show you guys that. Pretty happy about the fruit. You plant fruit trees in the ground and let them grow, and you get stuff. You get the reward of your labor after you take care of it and such. Over here, this big thing right here, let me back up a little bit. This big kind of a bush over here is a Hawaiian guava fruit. So this year it actually has fruit on it. If we look real close, you can see a fruit right there. Oh yes, right here's a little bunch of fruit. And what these things is, they're green on the outside and they're going to be pink on the inside. And there's another fruit over there. So pretty happy about that. This right here, of course, is a blueberry in the bucket, or bucket, not the bucket, pot. Anyhow, I'm gonna grab another one of these. And so when you see a fruit like that, that means a bird was pecking at it. The birds like to get to your fruit. They smell the sweetness a lot of times, or see it. I don't know if they can smell. I think they can. But anyhow, so this is little Chilean guavas. They're called, a lot of times they're called strawberry guavas as well. Now, this little bush here, and all down that line over there is, all the bushes that way is, what are they called? Pineapple guava. But it's actually a shrub. Some people say they're not really related to guava, but they're very similar, so that's why they call them guava or pineapple guava. Anyhow, these right here, this is a fig tree, or fig, yeah, it's basically a tree. It has figs on it. These guys ain't ready to eat yet though. What else do I got growing back here? Haven't been in the backyard for a while. Oh shoot, now that tall thing right there, that is a moringa tree. That thing grew quick. I just wanted to show that off, let you guys see that. That's a wonder bell, so it grows little bell peppers, different colors. And then this right here is a jalapeno bush. It's been there for like 2 years. That right there is a, shoot, what is that? It's like the hottest pepper in the world, Carolina Reaper bush. This right here is a goji berry. It has little goji berries on it. Goji berry, and I think that right there is kind of like a berry bush. And that right there is, I planted from seed. I was trying to, grow this particular tree that my mom had in her backyard, and I think it's working. It is a lemon tree, but it gives these interesting lemons. Now this right here is a fruit tree called the pluot tree, and this one has like 4 or 5 different species of pluots on it. And that little shrub there is a lime tree. And let me show you the limes here. We got limes this year, and it's only been, I think, 1.5 years since I had this thing, and so it's doing really well. It's got limes on it. You can see the limes right there. Over here we got this came with the house. It's a orange tree. And back over there in the corner you got sugar cane. I thought that was kind of fun, just growing different things in the backyard, watching them grow. This big old vine that you see growing on the fence and growing on a tree I had in here that came with the house, I planted the vine, and it's just overtaking everything. This grows passion flower fruit. And as you can see, the passion flowers fell off already. So they're getting ripe, or if they're not, wow, these are some of the biggest passion flowers. I usually see, boy, this is bigger than, this is about a goose egg size here. But they're usually a little bit smaller than eggs, so whatever this passion flower is eating, that's a good thing. It's getting big fruit on the vines, and they're starting to drop now, which means that they're ready to just break open and eat. Passion flowers are beautiful. The fruit are citrusy. I might show you them a different day. Oh, here's another pineapple guava shrub, but this one actually has fruit on it, so that's kind of neat here. And the shrub is for beauty and also for food. Let's go check out, hold on. Okay, here we go. This right here's, all this right here is passion, pineapple guava, actually. Shrubs, different species. So that right there is a finger lime, and it's from, where is it from? Australia. Yeah, New Zealand and Australia. It's another shrub over there. This right here is a persimmon, Fuji persimmon. That should be good, hopefully next year and the year after. This right here is a Asian pear tree, and they're all, I try to get dwarf trees so they stay small. And this beautiful thing is a Fuji apple. And this over here, right here in this pot, is a it's like a shrub from Barbados called a cherry shrub, Barbados cherry. This right here has two things in it, thyme and also dwarf pomegranates. And this right here looks like it's drying out, or maybe getting ready for the winter, but it's laying its leaves down at its base. This is a cherry tree that has 4, maybe 5 different species of cherries on it. And that is a Santa Rosa plum tree. And I'm letting it get out of hand, I think. Here's another Chilean guava. Here, right here is a Peking chili Peking. I thought that's kind of, I picked the chilies one year, and oh shoot, did I just, I think I'm not, it's getting so top heavy, it's starting to fall over. So anyhow, there's all kinds of little things I have here in the yard. This, of course, is another blueberry. That's a blueberry back there. That's a cactus and aloe vera. Those are good for you. Some more goji berries just growing wild back here. This right here I planted. It's a the same from Barbados, Barbados cherry. So I was just wanting to share this with you guys. And some more fruit down there. Those are Hawaiian guavas. So I am looking forward to having some different kinds of fruit. Hope it strikes an interest in anybody watching this video. You guys have a wonderful day or night. God bless.